Yo, he's just getting off the ship to go to Honduras. About 12, a little bit after 12 o'clock. It's our casino run, so I only do the port a couple hours, 12:30 to 3:30, so I'm not exhausted. Get back, have an early little snack, chill out a little bit, and then we do casino, 6 o'clock. That's what I call my casino run. But, all right, let's turn this camera around so y'all can see walking to the port. Okay, he put his face in the video this time. Y'all see what I'm seeing? You see me mostly. Let's go get some of this view. There's the pool. We're at Roatan, Honduras.
Yes.
You're like, get the hell away.
Sam!
I know you're trying to suck it in, but it's not working.
have a lot of stuff upstairs. So only a few little handcraft things. Brother selling his cigars. Pharmacy and different stuff. Get your bracelet made. Trying to do a lot of shopping, but we're spending time seeing we got tequila, jewelry, chocolate, yo. All right, Roatan. How do we feel about it? We're gonna hold our comments. Everybody has to experience things for themselves. Has it been my favorite on day 2? But we're gonna leave it at that. Okay? He stayed about an hour, and he is about to walk back to the ship. Just chill out. All right.